Welcome to Dualit Barista School. I'm Pauline and I'm going to show you how to extract an espresso from your Espressivo Pro coffee machine. So on the left hand side we have our grinder, we have our grind outlet and we have a portafilter cradle. On the right hand side we have the group head, and that's where the extraction of your coffee, that's where all the magic happens. Insert the portafilter into the portafilter cradle and just make sure that's nice and level. And we'll be expressing two espressos today. So I have the double basket in. So let's grind. Okay, just give that a little shake just to even the mound, and that is absolutely perfect. Now to temp, place the rubber stop onto the bottom, and you want a nice level headroom here, and that should be nice and level and even across. Give it a good tamp and twist. Brush off any excess coffee. Then that's going to go straight into our group head, left to right, and it's nice and secure. Make sure these are lined up nicely. And just to remind you, we've already dialed in our grinder so we know the perfect grind. Now we're all set up for a double shot. There will be a slight pause while the coffee machine pre-infuses. This is really important as it ensures the maximum flavour and aroma is extracted from the coffee by mixing a little bit of low pressure water into the coffee before the full extraction. Also helps produce an exquisite crema. The extraction will automatically stop when the correct dose has been reached. You will see the extraction time ticking up, and we're aiming for about 20 to 30 seconds for a single shot or 20 to 40 seconds for a double shot. If you're not achieving a correct extraction, you'll need to adjust your grind settings and dial in the Espressivo Pro again. Jump back to our video how to dial in your Espressivo Pro coffee machine and follow the step-by-step process. Want to know more about tamping, coffee, texturizing, milk and more? Watch the rest of our Barista School videos to become a Barista Pro.